Next in Google Slides, let's look at some of the add-ons that are available and some of the features that you can add to what you already know how to do in a set of slides. To get to add-ons in anything Google, it's up here in your menu. It's right next to Help. And with add-ons, if you go down to Get Add-ons, you'll see the possibilities. I have just 3 that I want to point out. There are tons of others out there. It just depends on what you're needing it to do. You'll see the ones that I have added. They have this green banner on the corner and a white check mark. There are tons of different things that you can do with the slides that you have and with these add-ons that have been added. People have coded this to work all of these different ways. So the first one I want to show you is Paletti. Paletti will let you color your slide deck with the click of a button. It's in all kinds of color palettes that are preloaded and ready to use for anything it is that you want to do. So I have this one added. I can show you what that'll do. Once you have the add-on, you can go down in your add-ons. Instead of getting the add-ons, you'll start it. This opens up over here on the side, and you can pick or customize any kinds of color schemes. You didn't want to pick your own. You can go through and favorite the ones that you like. You can scroll through them as many different ways as you want to scroll through them. Some of them are better than others. Some of them will appeal to your purposes and your sensibilities more. And you can pick whichever one it is you want to pick and apply it to all of the slides, which is this little magic wand guy, or just to the current slide if you just want it in that place. So when you apply it to all the slides, it's going to take and make all of these things work in all of those ways. Now, that didn't exactly help because I've got all this background stuff that worked. I would recommend, and usually do, if I'm going to use Paletti, I start with Paletti and then I can manage it from there. But I wanted to show you, here's one more way that you can change the colors. That's one of the add-ons. Another add-on that might prove useful is a couple of these icons. Icons by the Noun Project, insert icons, Flaticon. There's several of them that will let you insert different icons. The Noun Project has a really nice collection. Some of them are free, some of them you have to pay for. You can search. These make really nice bullet points. They add another layer of just of interest and of customization to the set of slides that you're creating. If you need tools or a download symbol or a grocery basket or any number of things, you can get to it from within your slides. So that is a second option and possibility in there. Another one that's really nice is this Unsplash Photos. This gives you access to high resolution photos from Unsplash Photos from within your slides. Maybe I need a picture of, in this case, I'm looking for something that's an example of the rule of thirds, and so I can insert this. Here it is. Now, it's going to take over as a full page slide, and you're going to have to do some editing and some cropping possibly, but here's your picture. It's free to use for anything. They're high res and completely free for commercial and personal purposes. You don't have to wonder if you're about to use something that's copyright protected or not. If it's from Unsplash, ordinary anybody has permission to use it. And it is taking a really long time for this. Trust me when I say it's going to upload that picture in that place. It's going to take it a minute because it's a high res photo. You'll see you can search it from up here if you're looking for something really specific. They have a really nice collection of all kinds of photographs for your use. And again, there are all kinds of add-ons, whether you need something for math or you're looking for accessibility features or you want to make your font look like it's rainbow. There's all kinds of things you can do. And they're all free. They're going to ask for permission to access your files and get in Google Drive. I've never had troubles with any of them. They do add on really nice set of features for whatever it is you might be trying to do. So experiment with those. I recommend Paletti, Unsplash, and the icons by the Noun Project. Experiment, see what it is that you can make your set of slides do, and enjoy.